In the last video I showed you how to search the Seneca County Digital Library, and we brought up a book as an example, the 1917 Tiffin Columbian Yearbook. And in this video I want to show you how to work with the title once you have it opened up. Now I'm using Firefox for this video, but it'll look the same in Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, whatever browser you're using. We have the title opened up here, and all you have to do is just left click and move that around to look at something else on the page. To move forward or backward from this page, it's just the next button up here. Once you move past the first page, the previous button shows up and it'll show you which page you were on then. And sometimes it'll take a little bit of time for it to load. What's nice too is in the upper left hand corner it shows you a thumbnail of where you are on the page, so it shows we're at the very top. But if you want to move back, zoom out so you can see more of the page at once from within the viewer, just click the zoom out button there, or zoom in if you want to go closer to look at something specific. So that gives us a nice view there of more of the page. You also have these options here: fit to window, fit to width, and I'll go ahead and click on one of those. That fits the viewer to the width itself. This one is the fit to window, which is nice, but it zooms out so far that sometimes you can't see too much of what's going on the screen. You can also click rotate if the page you're looking at needs to be rotated, an image or something like that. This is a cool feature here. We have a clip button here. If you're wanting to clip something specific on the page, it will open up in a separate viewer, and it's basically like cropping the image. Notice the cursor changed here. Just hold the left button, drag across, and then click crop up at the top of the screen. That will load a new image with just that information. This is great if you're wanting to print something off, but you only need some specific information from the page. Gives you a nice clean copy of that specific portion of the screen. Now this viewer is pretty easy to work with, but you might want a larger view of the image. Click this last button up here, full browser, and it'll take a second for this to load, but this will give you a larger image to work with. A lot of the options at the top will stay the same. You'll notice that our buttons to move forward and backward are now up here, and it'll show you which page you're on. But this gives us a larger area to work with then. It works the same. You can still move it around like that. What I like about this too, it gives you these thumbnails down at the bottom. So if you know you need to go to this page here, just click that and it will load that page then. And you'll notice our options up here are the same. You can still zoom in, zoom out. You can still fit to window, fit to width, rotate, and clip.